Then here is a game changer for you. How would you like me to show you how I earn $200 minus $1 every single time I run a $30 Google Ads campaign using a powerful hack and trick? Start earning with Google Ads today. Guaranteed method that works for anyone. Evergreen, set it up once. Continue profiting. Fail-proof method for making money out of thin air. Perfect for newbies. Works like a charm in 2021. No making videos required. Free money inside. Minus 30-day money-back guarantee. Step-by-step video training exposing the entire process. Prices increases inch. Product link in description. Could you for just a minute check these out? Important, these results are directly from our students who uses our Google Ads hack. Hi, this Daniel from Danny D Affiliates. I get it. You're a busy bee. So let's cut right to the chase. The truth is, it wasn't that long ago when I was struggling online. But now I am in a completely different position. So, I can help you if you will let me. Why should you listen to me? Because I eat and breathe this stuff. The truth is, I am no millionaire. I don't drive a fancy pants Lamborghini. I am a pretty normal guy just like you, that pursued the path of making money to provide stability for our loved ones. And after years of blood, sweat, and tears, I discovered the perfect solution you must combine in order to earn online. In fact, it's the same fail-proof formula that's made me 6 figures online. To crush this online marketing journey and start earning 6 figures like me, you need just 2 things. A hot and high-converting product. You can have all the traffic in the world. But if you don't have any offer to send it to, you'll make zilch. You must find an offer that turns your traffic into cash with ease. But even if you do find an offer, you'll need to get approved. Which is hard if you're a complete newbie with little to no sales. Highly targeted and converting traffic. You need eyeballs. Now I know you're thinking, what in the world is this guy talking about? But listen. Here's what I mean by eyeballs. By eyeballs, I mean real human visitors. Targeted traffic. It's the lifeblood of any online business. You must have lots of it if you want to make any money online. 0 eyeballs visiting your links equals $0. Here are results and super testimonials from my students using this Google Ads hack. Introducing Google Ads hack. Guaranteed method that works for anyone. Evergreen. Set it up once. Continue profiting. Fail-proof method for making money out of thin air. Perfect for newbies. Works like a charm in 2021. No making videos required. Free money inside. Minus 30-day money-back guarantee. Step-by-step video training exposing the entire process. Prices increases in. Product link in description. Don't just take our word for it. Here is what my students are saying. Google Ads hack reveals an outside-the-box method with over-the-shoulder and step-by-step tutorials to put together a real passive revenue business. It includes a cloud-based software to build your beautifully designed landing page with just a few clicks. Free, unlimited hosting, forever. Insider tips and strategies to drive highly targeted buyer traffic and how to quickly grow your buyer traffic over time by reaching a new audience every day. Real-life case studies for maximum profits. Fast action bonuses for more sources of income. There are more. Check out live proof. Wait. If you get Google Ads hack today, you can take these 4 fast action bonuses. For even more better results. Product link in description. Become a beta tester for my new program Danny D Affiliates and join at less than half the regular price. Benefits including a guaranteed product launch with me and passive income at least twice a month from my sales rotators. Become a beta tester for my new program Danny D Affiliates and join at less than half the regular price. Benefits including a guaranteed product launch with me and passive income at least twice a month from my sales rotators. Prices increases inch. Product link in description. 30 days money back guarantee. You can contact me for more details.